Good morning, students. Welcome back to learning classes of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Today, I am going to teach you some problems of exercise 9A of the topic unitary method. So, let us start question number 1. 1152 bars of soap can be packed in 8 cartons of the same size. How many such cartons will be required to pack 3888 bars? The unitary method first symbol is called since. Since 1152 bars of soap can be packed in 8 cartons. Is it clear? Therefore, this symbol is called therefore. In unitary method, first of all, we find unit quantity. Unit quantity means 1. The 1 bar of soap can be packed in. Here, less bar of soap, the less cartoon is means these questions belongs to direct variation. So here write 8 upon 1152 cartoons. Is it clear? Therefore, how many required? They here required to pack 3888 bars of soap can be packed in 8 upon 1152 into 3888 cartoons. Is it clear? तो divide 8 1 जा 8. Is it clear? 8 4 जा 32 और 8 4 जा 32 means 8 into 144 is equal to 1152. Here is the table 12 into 12 144. Here 12 3 जा 36. Is it clear? 12 2 जा 24. 12 2 जा 48. Cancel out. Again table of 12. 12 2 जा 24 और 12 7 जा 84. So lastly here get 27 cartoons. Hence required cartoons is equal to 27. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2, if the thickness of a pile of 16 cardboards is 44 mm is millimeter, how many cardboards will be there in a pile which is 71.5 centimeter thickness? Is it clear? So we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So here 71.5 centimeter is equal to 71.5 into 10. This is converted into millimeter. We get 715 millimeter. Is it clear? The right here first is since. Is it clear? if the thickness of a pile of 16 cardboards is 44 millimeter, the in 44 millimeter thickness number of 16 cardboards is it clear? Therefore, in first of all 1 millimeter thickness number of cardboards. So here write 16 upon 44 cardboards. Is it clear? Therefore, in 71.5 centimeter thickness means 715 millimeter. In 715 millimeter thickness number of cardboards here 16 upon 44 into 715, here write cardboards. 4 4 जा 16, 11 4 जा. Is it clear? 11 table of 11 6 जा 66. 11 6 जा 66 और 11 5 जा 55. Here we get 4 into 65. We multiply 5 4 जा 20, carry 2, 6 4 जा 24 plus 2 26 cardboards. Here write hence number of cardboards is equal to 260. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 3. In question number 3, the extension in an elastic string generally is the gas bender. The extension in an elastic string varies directly as the weight hung on it. If a weight of 150 gram produces an extension of 2.8 centimeter, what weight would produce an extension of 19.6 centimeter? Here centimeter also here centimeter means unit is same, no change required here. The first of all write here since here first statement given, if a weight of 115 gram produce, the write here the extension of 2.8 centimeter when weight 150 gram. Is it clear? So therefore the extension of first of all in unitary method 1 centimeter when weight 150 upon 2.8 gram. Less extension means less weight. This is direct proportion. Therefore the extension of here required extension of 19.6, here write 19.6 centimeter when weight 150 upon 2.8 into 19.6 gram. Is it clear? Here decimal after one place, here also after one place remove here. Is it clear? Here use the table of 14 14 2 ja 28. Here 14 1 ja 14 और 14 4 जा 56. 2 7 जा 14. Is it clear? 15 into 7, we get 105. Or here is 0 means 1050 gram. 1050 gram convert into kilogram, so we get 1 kilogram 50 gram. When gram change into kilogram, you divide 1000. So when we divide 1000, we get 1 kg 50 gram. So hence 1 kg 50 gram weight would produce an extension of 19.6 centimeter. Is it clear? I hope you will complete the exercise 9A with the help of this video. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.